What's going on, everyone? This is Kevin here, coming at you with a review of the new Amazon Fire HD8 tablet. I love this tablet and can't wait to share my thoughts on it with you. This tablet was recently released and is certainly an upgrade over its predecessor. This device runs Amazon's Fire OS, which is a heavily modified version of Android. Unlike most Android tablets though, this does not have access to Google's Play Store, but instead relies on Amazon's App Store, which is decent, but does not have nearly as many available apps. Also, keep in mind that if you already have an Android phone or tablet and have bought a lot of apps from the Google Play Store, you will not be able to transfer those purchases over to this tablet like you would be able to with any other Android device. What's great though about the software on this tablet is that it is optimized to work well with all of Amazon's services. So if you use Amazon a lot, then this tablet is a great option for you. This version of the tablet, which is the $80 entry-level version, features Amazon's special offers, which are ads on the lock screen. You can though pay extra to remove these ads, but I personally do not find them to be annoying at all, and sometimes they're even a bit helpful. As the name suggests, this tablet features an 8-inch display that comes in at 1280 by 800 resolution. The tablet is slightly slimmer than its predecessor and lighter in weight. It also gets better battery life with about 12 hours on a single charge. This version of the tablet features 16 gigabytes of onboard storage and has a micro SD card slot that can accommodate micro SD cards up to 256 gigabytes in size. This tablet comes in several colors, including black, punch red, marine blue, and canary yellow. Taking a closer look at the hardware, we have on top the power button, micro USB port, microphone, 3.5mm headphone jack, and the volume rocker. On the right side, we have the Dolby stereo speakers, and I'll talk about more on that in a second. As far as the software experience goes, the new feature for this year that Amazon is touting is the integration of Alexa. I personally found Alexa to be useful, but you must hold down the virtual home button to get it to work, and you cannot trigger it with your voice, unlike the Amazon Echo. One of the highlights though of this device definitely has to be the Dolby stereo speakers. I was blown away by these speakers because they are really impressive for an $80 tablet. I think the enhanced speakers alone make this device worth the premium over the cheaper Fire 7. And of course, that's only one of the many benefits. In conclusion, I am very impressed with the 2017 Amazon Fire HD8 tablet. I think it's a great successor to the previous version of the tablet. The inclusion of Alexa this year is nice to see, and I also love all of the new colors. I can't imagine a situation where this isn't worth spending $30 to buy it over the cheaper Fire 7 tablet. However, if you must get the Fire 7, then go ahead and do it, but I recommend just spending the extra $30 and getting this instead. You'll thank yourself later. There are 2 links though in the video description that I want you to check out. Check out my other videos on this device, as well as my affiliate link that you can use to buy this device on Amazon. I am also doing a giveaway for the Fire 7, so check that out as well. But thank you so much for supporting me, watching my review of the Amazon Fire HD8. Make sure to leave any questions that you might have in the comment section below, like the video, sub, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you, everybody.